Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something a little different but super powerful for anyone looking to step up their office printing game, the Lexmark MS826de Monochrome laser printer. This is not your casual, print a few pages a week type of machine. This is an enterprise-level beast built for serious workloads, and I've been spending some time with it to see just how it performs. So, first impressions, this thing means business. The design is clean, simple, and professional, with a fairly compact footprint for what it can do. You've got a 4.3-inch color touchscreen on the front, which feels very modern compared to the old-school button-only printers we've all dealt with in the past. The interface is actually really responsive and gives you quick access to all the main functions, settings, and diagnostics without having to dig through confusing menus. Now let's talk specs, because this is where the Lexmark MS826de flexes. Print speed. Up to 70 pages per minute. Yeah, you heard that right, 70. For perspective, that's like printing a short novel in just a few minutes. This is made for environments where large volumes of documents are constantly being pushed out, and you can tell Lexmark designed it with speed and efficiency as top priorities. It also comes with an integrated Duplex feature, meaning double-sided printing is standard. That's a big win for saving paper and keeping costs down in the long run. And speaking of handling paper, the printer ships with a 550-sheet output bin, which again just reinforces that this isn't for light use. This is for an office, a business, or a team that needs non-stop performance. And that brings us to duty cycle. The recommended monthly page volume is anywhere from 5,000 all the way up to 100,000 pages. That's massive. In other words, you could be printing hundreds of pages every single day and this printer would still shrug it off like nothing. Reliability is clearly a huge selling point here. Of course, performance like this doesn't mean much if the output isn't sharp. Thankfully, print quality is excellent. Being a monochrome laser printer, you're not going to be printing photos or colorful graphics here, but for text documents, reports, forms, and professional paperwork, the quality is crisp and consistent. Another nice touch is the connectivity. You're getting Ethernet and USB support built right in, so it integrates easily into pretty much any existing office setup. Lexmark also tends to have strong software support, which helps with print management and keeping everything running smoothly. Now, with all that said, this isn't the kind of printer you'd casually pick up for your home unless you're running some kind of printing empire out of your living room. It's very much designed for organizations that need speed, volume, and reliability above all else. But if that's what you need, the MS826de is one of those machines that you buy once and rely on for years. In my time testing it, I didn't really run into any hiccups. It's fast, it's efficient, and the touchscreen makes the user experience much better than older models. The noise level is also pretty reasonable considering how quickly it prints, and it doesn't take forever to warm up either. So, to wrap it up, the Lexmark MS826de is a serious monochrome laser printer that nails all the essentials. High speed, high volume, solid build, easy interface, and professional output. If your office is in the market for a heavy-duty solution, this one checks a lot of boxes. And of course, if you're interested in picking one up for yourself or your business, I'll have a link down in the description so you can check it out directly. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.